You may recognize me from my acting work, but my real passion is programming. When I'm in the zone, I'm unstoppable. I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm really excited about the future. And Google's Gemini models are tech that can get us there. And you know I'm submitting to Google's new Gemini Developer Contest, which is so cool it'll blow your mind back to beta. A chance to win for the most creative, useful, and remarkable apps. If you're a dev or dev team that wants to submit, great. But you'll have some catching up to do. I just drank 3 cups of nitro cold brew, and I'm ready to crank out some genius. Time to go wormhole.